Thought of the day. Every child is gifted. They just unwrap their packages at different times. It means that every child has some talents, strength, and some special qualities. So, children, you all are unique in some or the other way. You all are talented. You just need to unwrap or discover yourself to find your qualities. Good morning, my dear kids. In today's class, we will learn about the multiplication facts through a story. In this story, there is a boy and a magic pencil whose name is a Marco. You will see how the magic pencil helps the boy. So let's start. I don't know the multiplication facts. I wish someone could help me out. Oh, I know. You are the Marco, the pencil. Yes, I am Marco the pencil. And let me tell you, multiplication is one of the coolest things which you are going to learn. It's look like having your own magic show. Really? Sure. As you know that multiplication is a repeated addition of a number. Like 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equals to 18. So let's see how many times number 6 is added here. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So 3 times. Instead of adding again and again, how can we do a magic through multiplication? Which number is repeated here? Number 6. So we will put the sign of multiplication and 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. Now, let me show you some multiplication facts. When you're multiplying a number by 1, the answer is always that number. 4 times 1 equals 4. Let me take one example. 1 apple on each plate. And how many apples are there in one plate? Only 1. So number of plates multiplied by number of apples on each plate. Total number of plates 5 and number of apples on each plate only 1. So 5 multiplied by 1 is equals to 5. 6 times 1 equals 6. 8 times 1 equals 8. 50 times 1 equals, you guessed it right, 50. That's easy to understand, and since you can switch the places of the factors, I bet you can multiply 1 times any number and your answer will always be that number. Like 1 multiplied by 9 equals to 9. 1 multiplied 7 equals 7. That's right, my young boy. Now, another multiplication fact is when you multiply by 0, you always get 0. Any number times 0 always equals 0. Example, there are 5 baskets. There is no fruit in any of the baskets. That just makes count it. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. Number of baskets are 5. Number of fruits in it is 0. So 5 multiplied 0 is equals to 0. That just makes sense, Marco. If you have 0 groups of something, you don't have anything. And if you swap that around, no matter how many times you add 0 to 0, you will always get 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 multiplied by 9, 0. 9 multiplied by 0 is 0. Perfect, my little boy. Now, Marco, how can people get good at multiplying? They could use a calculator. Well, it is not always convenient to use a calculator. Smart people and smart pencils memorize their basic multiplication facts all the way up to 9 times 1 times to 1 and 9 times to 9. Any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. One easy way to memorize your multiplication facts, it's with a beat. 2, 4, 6, 8. You can also practice skip counting. And my little boy, whatever you do, practice makes it perfect. Now, the last fact of multiplication is multiplying by 10. To multiply any number by 10, simply write it down and then add a 0 at the end. You see, 4 times 10 equals 40. 8 times 10 equals 80. 85 times 10 equals 850. 37 times 10 equals 370. I hope you have a great time learning about multiplication facts with me. I sure have, Marco. Now it's time for me to go practice multiplication. That's a great idea, my little boy. Thank you.